Hey there everybody, it's Zach and thanks for stopping by. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of the Leatherman Skeletool. It's a great multi-tool, but it all depends on what tools you actually need. So I'm going to go through what this has and kind of give some comments and some stuff like that on it. So to start off, it's all stainless steel construction. It has a 420 high carbon blade on here, and I'll show you. This is actually a one-handed open. Right there you have a thumb slot, and right there you guys have it. Straight edge and partially serrated, dual combo. And you'll notice that Leatherman, they're famous for doing this. It's not evenly ground on both sides. So you have one side is ground a little more than the other. Makes it a little bit more difficult for sharpening, but I will tell you guys, this thing is extremely sharp. Also, too, the blade is locked. It's a lock and blade, liner lock. If you want to put it back in, just push down right here and push over just like that. Some of the other tools in here is you have a carabiner, so you can just clip this right onto a key ring, belt loop, whatever, backpack. It also doubles as a bottle opener. On the back side you have a belt clip if you prefer to use it that method. And then, like any good multi-tool, we can always open this up. And you have needle nose pliers, regular pliers. In here too you have wire cutters, and they actually list it as hard wire cutters. I've actually used it almost as a wire stripper to strip the insulation off of wires. Works well for that. Just don't apply too much pressure and you won't cut into your wires. You also have, and this is one feature I really like, you have a number 1 and a number 2 Phillips bit on here. They're locked in. To remove that or to flip the ends, you just press in right here, pull that out, flip around, and just plug it back in like that. You'll hear it click. There you guys go. Now, if you're looking for a straight edge, that is stored here in the side. This is one thing that I'm going to tell you guys. It's a little bit tricky to push through because it sometimes wants to get stuck. They've got it really well up in there. And then pulling it out can also be difficult because you don't really have much playroom. So once you get one end out, you can just pull it on out like that. You have a 1/4 and 3/16 inch straight bit on there. That will clip in. Your Phillips will store up in there. If not, you can just put it back in there as so. Now, I do not have any, but I know Leatherman does make additional bit kits that is compatible with this model and other models as well. So that is something to check out if you use a variety of different bits. As far as this goes, the pliers, let me go back to that real quick. They're not spring loaded, so you do have to manually open and close. Some of the other models, they are spring loaded in there. I guess that makes a difference if you're really doing a lot of work with that, but in my personal preference, if I'm going to be doing something like that, I want a set of pliers that are solely pliers. They're strictly for that application. This is good, if it's a quick on-the-job fix, something that you did not expect. Now don't get me wrong, folks. This thing can withstand a lot. You can use it all day if you want to. I mean, it is tough built. It will hold up. It comes in at right at around 5 ounces. You can find these little sales sometimes. But what I will have, folks, is I'll have a link in the description below to the Leatherman Skeletool. If you guys like it, be sure to check out that link. And, folks, if you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, too, hit that little bell so you can get notifications of when when I post new videos. So there you guys go. It's the Leatherman Skeletool. I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, have a great one. See you later.